Many poultry farmers panic when hens start coughing, sneezing, and laying fewer eggs. But here's the truth. Most respiratory diseases like Newcastle or infectious bronchitis spread fast because of one thing: poor ventilation. If your poultry house is stuffy and overcrowded, germs will definitely thrive. What's the cheapest fix? Space your birds correctly and make sure there's a steady airflow without cold drafts. Of course, keep up with the vaccination, but don't forget about proper housing. Healthy air means healthy lungs, and healthy lungs means steady egg production. I'm Florence, sharing quick farm health tips you can actually use. Subscribe